How to apply for Zego Food Insurance. The first things first is just have your browser prepare on your end. Simply pull it up and then just head directly to zego.com. Now, before you create and get a code, you must simply take time to read on the uh, policy options or policy terms and conditions of the insurance on Zego. Now, once you've agreed all of those necessary informations, what you want to do is just to go ahead and choose on logged in. Now, on the login page, you just have to create an account using their affiliated email addresses such as Google Mail or any email address as long as it is active. Once you have successfully created an account, go ahead and input your delivery details so that Zego will figure out a specific insurance code for you. Now, before you make a payment, once again, read the terms and conditions for you to be able to fully understand um, before purchasing such. And that's it. That's how you apply for a Zego food insurance.